Engineering tool safety, a foundation for excellence. Are you ready to build a safer, more productive workspace? This video is your guide to mastering engineering tool safety, ensuring both your well-being and the quality of your work. Let's get started. Engineering tools are essential, but they also present potential hazards. Recognizing these risks is the first step in preventing accidents. Power tools, hand tools, and even measuring instruments can cause injury if used improperly. Cuts, abrasions, eye injuries, and even more serious incidents can occur. Understanding the specific dangers associated with each tool is crucial. This knowledge empowers you to make informed decisions and take appropriate precautions. PPE is your first line of defense against workplace hazards. Wearing the right gear can significantly reduce the risk of injury. Safety glasses are essential for protecting your eyes from flying debris. Gloves protect your hands from cuts, abrasions, and chemical exposure. Hearing protection is vital when working with noisy equipment. Steel-toed boots prevent foot injuries from dropped objects. Always inspect your PPE before each use. Proper tool handling is paramount to preventing accidents. Always use the right tool for the job and maintain it in good working order. Never use a tool that is damaged or malfunctioning. Report any defects immediately and remove the tool from service. Keep your work area clean and organized to prevent trips and falls. Ensure adequate lighting to see clearly and avoid mistakes. Power tools offer efficiency, but they also demand respect. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions and safety guidelines. Ensure that power tools are properly grounded or double insulated. Never use power tools in wet or damp conditions. Keep cords away from heat, oil, and sharp edges. Use extension cords that are rated for the tool's amperage. Hand tools may seem less dangerous, but they can still cause serious injuries. Use the correct hand tool for the task at hand. Maintain a firm grip on the tool and avoid using excessive force. Keep your hands clear of the cutting edge. Never use a hand tool as a hammer or pry bar unless it is specifically designed for that purpose. Store hand tools properly to prevent damage and injury. Machine guarding is a critical safety measure. Guards protect you from moving parts and other hazards. Never remove or disable machine guards. If a guard is damaged or missing, report it immediately. Ensure that all guards are properly installed and functioning correctly before operating any machinery. Understand the purpose of each guard and how it protects you. Lockout-tagout procedures are essential for preventing accidental startup of equipment during maintenance or repair. Always follow lockout-tagout procedures before working on any machinery. This includes disconnecting the power source and applying a lock and tag. Verify that the equipment is de-energized before beginning work. Remove the lock and tag only after the work is completed and the equipment is safe to operate. Knowing what to do in an emergency can save lives. Familiarize yourself with the location of emergency exits, first aid kits, and fire extinguishers. Report any accidents or injuries immediately to your supervisor. Seek medical attention if necessary. Participate in regular safety drills to practice emergency procedures. Be prepared to respond quickly and effectively in the event of an emergency. Safety is an ongoing process, not a one-time event. Continuously seek ways to improve safety in your workplace. Report any near misses or potential hazards to your supervisor. Participate in safety training and meetings. Share your knowledge and experience with your colleagues. By working together, we can create a safer and more productive work environment. Your commitment to safety is paramount. By understanding the risks, using PPE, following safe tool handling practices, and continuously improving, you contribute to a safer and more productive workplace for everyone. Now, take the next step. Review your company's specific safety guidelines, complete the required safety certification, and actively participate in upcoming safety meetings. Your diligence ensures not only your well-being but also the success of our collective endeavors. Let's build a culture of safety, one tool, one task, one day at a time.